Welcome to the Virtual Driving Center at Bosch. Here we use computer simulations of the most diverse driving situations to constantly further develop automotive technology. With our wide variety of components and systems, we at Bosch Gasoline Systems contribute to the further development of the transmission so that performance and fuel consumption continue to improve. In our business unit, Transmission Control, we develop components, modules, and software solutions concerning all aspects of the drivetrain. Transmission control from Bosch Gasoline Systems. Nothing gets you into gear faster. The automatic transmission is practically a standard feature in today's motor vehicles. Automatic shifting and coupling increases driving comfort and, via optimal shifting points, reduces fuel consumption and thus the CO2 output, with more driving dynamics. But all the advantages of an automatic transmission are only applicable when the power of the engine... Oh no, a traffic jam. It's no surprise I'm not the only one on the road now. That's okay. Perhaps even a good opportunity to expand on the advantages of transmission control. So where was I? Right. The advantages of an automatic transmission can only come into play when the power is transferred ideally to the wheels. The more frequently the driving situation changes, the more the automatic transmission delivers, and the higher the level of demands it needs. The transmission has to repeatedly adjust to new situations. To achieve this, the gear shift electronics communicate with numerous control units and sensors. Thus, the electronic transmission control is able to recognize the current gear status, the driving situation and style, and to react accordingly, for example, with optimized shifting points. Inside the transmission rests the electro-hydraulic module. Here, our engineers have succeeded in integrating electronic and hydraulic components in one module. Control unit, variable force solenoids and sensors. Function integration is the magic word here. For a significantly higher level of reliability, reduced application costs, and lower logistics costs. In other words, for a remarkable reduction in costs of up to 20%. Actually, there are a few more features I was just about to show you. Oh, that's just what I need right now. Reduced consumption and comfortable driving are important features nowadays. But now I'm just hoping that Bosch Gasoline Systems also does something for the best possible power transfer. Otherwise, I'm in real trouble here. With four-wheel drive vehicles, the drive power is distributed between the front and rear axles in a fixed, unvarying ratio. But off-road, you need a variable distribution between the front and rear axles. Distributor gearing provides the best possible driving dynamics and traction by enabling the motive force to be distributed in a fraction of a second between the front and rear axles. It displaces the drive torque according to the situation to where it can be most effective. The main component is the electronically controlled clutch, the plates of which, with the help of a highly dynamic electric motor, can be pressed together within milliseconds. Depending on pressure levels, more power is conducted either to the front or the rear axle as needed. Oh, now things get tricky. Where road conditions change, such as with ice and snow patches, individual tires often lose their grip on the surface and are prone to wheel spin. Here, the automated differential lock can significantly improve driving dynamics and vehicle safety. Compared to the electronic stability program ESP, which reduces the torque on the individual wheel, the electronically controlled differential lock achieves a targeted displacement of the drive power to a specific wheel. Instead of applying the brakes, it distributes the energy to the wheels with the best road surface adhesion. With the help of Bosch electronic engines and sensors, the differential locks on the front and rear axles are targeted. That leads to greater vehicle stability and more neutral driving behavior. when the vehicle reaches the controllable limit does the ESP intervene, reducing the engine torque and applying brake pressure to individual wheels. Sometimes, though, even the transmission control is unable to adapt to the demands of the driver. Luckily, in such cases, there are other things you can rely on. The advancements of Bosch gasoline systems relating to all aspects of the drivetrain help to bring power to the road in the best possible way. That's yet another contribution we make. Reduced fuel consumption, lower CO2 output, increased driving comfort, more driving dynamics.
Bosch. Invented for life.